Welcome, low ego action heroes. This is Debbie Levitt from deltacx.com. And a question I sometimes get is if I'm not too into the whole design thinking thing, and I go to a job interview or I have an online job interview and they ask me how I approach design thinking, what should I say? Well, here's what I've been doing. The first thing I do is I say, well, that depends on your definition of design thinking. What's your definition of design thinking? And then I wait for the person who is screening me or interviewing me to answer that. And what I found is that many people didn't have an answer. And that's a great point to jump off into conversation. And so normally I will say, well, if I go by Don Norman's definition of it, where it's all of human-centered design and the true user-centered design process, then here's how I approach user-centered design. But I'm not really using the term design thinking, and I'm not really using those exercises. I'm sticking more to user-centered design. So I think it's totally fair to say to someone, what's your definition of design thinking? Because there seem to be a zillion. I rarely hear the same one twice. It's a mindset, a method, a paradigm, a methodology, a framework, a process. It's so many things at the same time. So that's what I would do. You may or may not be comfortable saying that to someone, but I think it's a fair question. If they're going to be judging you by how you approach design thinking, how do they define design thinking? You want to answer that question well, right? Let's learn. Let's see what they say. Could get interesting. So on that note, won't you please usability test the subscribe button here at the Delta CX channel and help us out in the YouTube algorithm by empathizing with the like button. We also have a Slack community and a tip jar, optional. And I will see you in the next video.